We're gonna select everything but the light. Hit right click and do hide unselected. Now back to the model. Back to moving vertices. Never quite get around to the right mode. So yeah, this does get boring after a while. Once again, we're going to use the border, however. We're not gonna cap it this time. We're gonna hit shift, move it back a bit further. Actually, a lot further. A tiny bit, and then cap it. So yeah, for these small lights, actually, well, I've thought about that. I'm actually gonna cap those two, and I should cap these big parts, but I can't since it's not. I say that it's not close. I mean, this is the original. That's what I meant. But now we have to take care of this thingy. Which what I mean. Select these vertices. Oh shit. Yeah, that was exactly what I expected. Select these. Select these two. And then select these two, I think. And then you can remove that one edge. On to the next one. Can't really do the next one. Just do it anyway. Select these two. Select these two. I mean, in this case you can select two. And next up, select these two. Well, here we have a lot more edges. Vertices, I mean. Select these two, one. Yep. And now for the rest, we're basically gonna add in some edges with connect. So we have 1, 2, 3 left. Just have 3. And move them like here. Something. As long as you get those. Yeah, no, it's correct, I think. And yeah, that's exactly what I meant. This one should be the correct one. Going to this one. This is really just, if you use cap on its own, it's not that great. Fuck. Where is it? Is it this one? The last one? I think it is. Yeah, there we go. So, yeah. Gonna do a little bit of adjusting things here once again. Gonna go in edge constraint. Oh no, shit. Oh, I actually can go up there. No, I'm not gonna use that constraint though. said not. So, yeah. Am I gonna use? Yeah, I should move these. Really have a hard time here. Actually, I think that's just good enough for now. So I'm coming close to the end of this this time. Don't really know how to say that. This episode, rather, recording session is what I mean. Because I said 3 hours of recording, and it's actually gonna be 2 hours because, well, I have exams tomorrow, finals, and I want to get enough sleep for that. Yeah. We need to detach this as an element. And I'm gonna move it a bit down. And see this one vertex over here, which isn't correct. Now what I'm gonna do, why I'm moving this down is because in this picture, you can see clearly there's like a defining line there, which means basically it's a different car part. So I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna select all the edges, like here. I'm gonna move those up a bit as well. So now I'm gonna select the polygons once again, move them up so they're like correct on the bottom lines there. So I think this is how you do. I really haven't done this before. I just think I should do it like this. Yeah, there are a few ways you can do this. What happens when you use shell? Whoa, look at that. It's not what I meant though. Come on, don't crash on me. Shit. I'm gonna pause this video for a bit here. Yeah. So, welcome back. I've actually lost a little bit of work, and I'm back to the point where we were. I'm not gonna do what I was planning to do, like detach that. You should just undo that, because what we're actually gonna do is something really different. We're gonna try to get a grid, what is a grill, right here, which is of course much more fun. So we're actually going to be deleting, or not deleting, hiding these frames, and we're going to be freezing the car. Also, I said I was going to be doing 3 hours. It actually is going to be 2, because like I have exams, finals. Did I already say that? I don't know. So we're going to create a plane right here. The resolution really doesn't matter that much, like the amount of segments. But we're gonna move this up into the car. and just assume that looks okay. Yeah, it won't look okay, but it looks good enough. Okay, so now let's hit shift, move it, so we'll get another object. And on this one, we actually are gonna change the segment to really a lot, actually. So this might be failing. You might want to watch this before I actually start, because this could be failing really hard. Hide unselected. Now we create a editable poly, and we're gonna be selecting some edges, which is pretty simple, just like this. Oh, my bad. So yeah, this is the only thing that actually will be kinda high poly on the car, but it will make like a good thing to actually do this in 3D instead of using some image. We're gonna use chamfer, and this oh shit. Oh yeah, that's it. You will chamfer until, like, set the value as I do until these edges are kind of like the same. Then you hit OK. You go into vertex mode, select all of them, and go to weld. And as you can see, it welds all of those who are like nearly together into each other, which is what we want. And you hit OK. And now we're going to be moving this, so every thingy. Actually, I'm going to be deleting some edges, because these edges are in the way. There's another shortcut, by the way. If you use backspace, it deletes the edges, but it keeps the polygon. At least I think it goes like that. Let me just select this tool. Yeah, this is very time consuming. So hit backspace, as you can see, they go away. So I think I'm gonna pause the video, and I think I'll then come back once I have deleted all of these. So see you then. So I went ahead and deleted all the edges. So now I'm gonna go into vertex mode, and it doesn't show any. There we go. Now I'm gonna make sure that every I don't know what you call it, is the same size polygon, because all the edges are gonna be are gonna have polygons around them. So yeah, and I've already went a little bit further and tried this, and we have a small problem, but that is not too big of a problem really. So yeah, this does take some time. It actually took me like 8 minutes to get rid of all of those edges, but we do get our result later on, because I have to say it looks awesome if you get this working.